Welcome back to TechVibes. Amazon is aggressively blocking third-party apps on Fire TV, leaving many with an app disabled message or a warning triangle. If you see a triangle, Amazon has blocked that specific version. Your only options are to dismiss or uninstall. The secret to bypassing this issue is the version number. To keep apps working, always load the absolute latest release. For example, versions like 2.0.8 must be updated constantly or they will be disabled immediately. While these apps still work, Fire TV now requires extra maintenance, like hunting down new downloader codes every week. To run apps smoothly, use NordVPN. It bypasses censorship and stops your service provider from putting restrictions on your device. The installation link is in the description and comments below. Make sure to get it set up first. If you want a permanent, low-maintenance solution to get out of this hole entirely, it is time to switch devices. I highly recommend picking up a 4K on streaming box. If you are overseas, you can look for the Thompson box. These alternative devices are completely powered by Google TV. Google TV puts minimal restrictions on your device and does not actively block your streaming apps. In fact, versions like 2.0.4 that have been dead on the Amazon Fire Stick for months still work perfectly fine on Google TV. You do not have to worry about apps suddenly disappearing or needing constant updates just to watch a movie. All you have to do is plug it in, turn it on, and start streaming. Many of us are accustomed to the Amazon interface and own multiple Fire TVs, making it hard to switch all at once. But with Amazon rolling out restrictive interface updates this month, incorporating a 4K ON streaming box as a backup or a primary source of entertainment is the smartest move you can make. What are your thoughts on the new Amazon updates? If you have received the new interface, let us know how it is. Drop a comment below with your thoughts, give this video a like, and smash that subscribe button for more tech fixes from TechVibes. See you in the next one.